So what time is Pete meeting you here?
8:15. Tell him where you're having dinner. On his uncle's boat.
Nice.
I know. I love boat food. Uh-oh. Here comes big sweaty trouble.
Hey, look here. You got the whole iCarly gang. 2 ballerinas and their tech stooge.
She called me a tech stooge.
Ooh, fries.
Those are our fries.
Oh, right. Sorry. Here. You keep them.
Sam, don't. This date tonight is really important to you, and I'm not going to let you ruin it by getting in a fight. Let me handle this. Look. I know the only reason you act like this is because you're insecure, but that doesn't make it okay for you to... Sam?
Yeah?
Rip her head off.
Rip my head off? I'd love to see her try it.